Accounting MCQs. This is actually part 3. Pay attention, you will learn something in this short accounting class. Number 1 question: which account is classified as a current asset? Which account is classified in accounting as a current asset? Is it A, machinery, or B, building, or C, inventory, or D, land? Which account is classified as a current asset? The correct answer is not machinery, is not building, is not also land. It's inventory account. Inventory account is the account that is classified as an asset in accounting. All right, number 2. The trial balance is prepared to. The trial balance is prepared to. Now, let's consider our options. A, to calculate profit. B, to detect arithmetic accuracy of ledger accounts. C, to prepare invoices. D, to record transactions. All right. The correct answer is not calculate profit. It's not prepare invoices. It's not also record transactions. The correct answer is to dictate arithmetic accuracy of ledger accounts. The answer is B. So trial balance is prepared to dictate arithmetic accuracy of ledger accounts. Have you taken note of that? All right, let's consider number 3. Which document is issued when goods are sold on credit? Which document is issued when goods are sold on credit? Let's consider the options. A, debit note. B, credit note. C, invoice. D, receipt voucher. The correct answer is not A. It's not a debit note. It's not also credit note. It's between invoice and receipt voucher. And of course, since this is a receipt, it's not also receipt voucher. The correct answer is invoice. Invoice is the document issued when goods are sold on credit. Are you learning? Let's consider number 4. Which of the following is a liability? A, cash. B, accounts receivable. C, bank loan. D, furniture. All right, this question, I will leave it for you to answer. Drop in the comment section which of these is a liability. Is it a cash, accounts receivable, bank loan, furniture? Drop in the comment section. Let's learn together. All right, this is a very short accounting MCQ class. I trust you have learned something from this video. Bye for now.